Alright, we're here in Sarasota in the Kaiser Center for Culinary Arts kitchen. Chef Vought's going to show us quickly how to make fried rice. Chef Vaught, what do you got there?
You got a non-stick pan. Everybody has a non-stick pan at home. We'll put a good amount of oil in it because it is to fry rice. We'll start out with hot oil. Wait until you see a little smoke. We'll start out with what we call a trinity: ginger, garlic, and scallion. We need to brown it off first, so let it go into the pan first. And you start hearing a sizzling sound. That's what you're looking for.
Ginger, garlic, and scallions. Smells delicious already.
This part's going to take a little bit longer because we didn't. I'm starting to hear something. It's starting to sizzle now. That's when we know that it's going to cook our egg immediately when we crack our eggs in there. I have 2 eggs.
Put the eggs in there?
Crack it. Fry that egg. Don't have to worry about mixing it up. Next step is the vegetables. They're going to go right in there.
All those vegetables. Carrots, onion, celery.
Spread this around a little bit, crack our yolk. Okay, this is the portion where the fried rice technique comes in. The rice, you can use old rice, leftover rice, but make sure it's at room temperature or fresh cooked rice. We'll put right on top of that. What this is going to do is we're going to seal this down. We're going to let that dry up. The egg, the vegetables, the garlic, all that stuff in there. We're going to pound it down a little bit. We'll wait for about a good minute or so. Our seasoning sauce we're using, you can use regular cumin soy sauce or something more highly seasoned, just a little more seasoned than the regular cumin soy sauce. This has a lot more flavor and it's a little more expensive. Maggie's, you can get it anywhere, like Publix or Walmart. So now you can tell when it's ready to flip or stir. It's by making sure that the whole mass kind of moves together. It's not quite there yet. Slowly making a circle so it moves by its in the mass, in one big mass. Now it's ready to do a quick flip. Then we're going to pat it down. And what we're doing is we're frying the rice. Let that rice fry. And hold that for another minute or so.
Okay.
Like you see, the rice is starting to fry. It's turning brown, and some of the items here it's caramelizing. So each time you do this, like pat it down and let the bottom fry it up until it gets nice and crispy. Once it gets nice and crispy, that's when you start adding the soy sauce. I'm going to pull this over again to see how nice and crispy this rice is yet. And if you're going to do it really crispy, you want to do this about 4 or 5 times. But I think we're good right here because we're working with gas stove and it's good heat and it's starting to brown up.
Oh yeah, I see that brown, Chef. Yep. Smells delicious too.
It's like making paella. You gotta have that brown crust on it. So we're gonna choose, I like this Maggi, so I'm gonna use Maggi sauce, put in here. And just enough to coat the top, and you know that's gonna have enough seasoning, but also taste it as well. I'll always add salt and pepper at the end just to adjust the seasoning. We're gonna coat the top with this Maggi seasoning. And then we're going to fold it again, pat it down, and dry out that Maggi seasoning. So we have a nice crispy fried rice. Okay, so for one last time, I'm going to dry this rice up by patting it down. And I'm going to turn this heat up just a little bit more. going for about a minute, 30 seconds maybe, depends how high the heat is. And you can tell by looking at the smoke. If you have a lot of smoke, something's burning. Right now it's okay, it's good. Start to see a little steam coming up a little bit. That means that Maggi soy sauce is actually steaming from the heat and reducing and caramelizing onto the rice. It gives that nice crispy flavor to the fried rice. Now we're going to fold it and see where we're at as far as crispiness goes. I think this is good. That little nice brown crust right there. It's really nice. It's really good fried rice right there. That's it.